Hello, my beautiful people. How are you all doing? So today's video, I want to show you another part of me that you don't know. So this is my beautiful friend here. She came to my house for me to do something on her hair. I said, okay, let me try an experiment and see how it's going to go. So I started with Bacala. I finished Bacala now. I said, okay, I will look at her wig. She has a closure. I say, madam, you born a closure will not be fun task. She say make I do am so make we see how e go comot. I say okay na me that now I start with Bacala. I dey plat the go. Madam dey enjoy na so his skin dey sweet am. He say this experiment for today na God you wan know how e go comot. I say no wahala, make we see how e go. Anyway, there is nothing bad in trying some things new. Even though my boss don tell me say we no fit use closure do am as frontal, I say no wahala boss, but as you see today video so now I say I must try am make I see how e comot. Na me that I see dey plan my Bacala dey go small dey go. Me and she we dey knack to we dey go, we dey tell am, we dey talk wa small gist dem for back and so on. Na so we just dey talk. Na so our skin start sweet. Na so my friend too just dey pour Bakata. I saw all man dey laugh dey go. I say okay, make we see how dey go now. So we continue. Dey plat dey go. He say Lydia, this your thing today so e go comot na high. I said no worry na, no be you come for Lydia Sparkle Beauty Center, make we see how e go comot. I said okay, na me that I dey wear wig cap now for her head. I said okay make we see how this thing go my people. Na me that I don wear wig cap for her head now. I said okay make we fix am, make we see how e dey go. Then I take this thing glue, I put am I take foundation, I put am for the thing make e give that texture for a cap, make your person no one can open check your cap so see your head some inside the white. We say no, make you put am for color for your skin tone. Na so we carry foundation dey pack am on top the wig cap. Na so we dey pluck am, na so we dey talk. See, na so she dey laugh for back. She say this hair installation today na die, this new experiment we don't know wetin we go do. We say we go for try am. So na me that they put the foundation for the wig cap. Then after that, this one, as you go see am for the next episode as we dey go, you go see me as I dey apply na glue now. Na me this for glue section. I say okay, make we put glue now so that the wig cap no go fit comot. At least that glue go hold am for the head. You see am, and this one go be easy sef. You go make am the installation sef go easy. E no go comot quick. I say make I pack the glue fine so that it go stay for her head. She come dey laugh. She say Lydia, you wan finish me? You say this your wig go make how long? I said e go take like 2 weeks. So she come dey laugh. I say okay make I cut the ear part now. Nails too no wan leave me make I cut ear part. Na so I dey just dey struggle stay I can finally cut am. We go for the other side. Na so I dey cut am dey cut am. I go make mistake. I don't know na mistake or na wetin. Anyway, after this video so I go send am for my boss make he tell me say which the mistake I do am for this video. Na me that now I don cut am now. I wan see the cutting no dey wan cut with scissors. I say okay make I use this thing now. Then I put the glue to no one gum. I say what is wrong? And then the way I cut am too, I go cut am too much for way the wig cap can short. Experimentos. Na me that now I say okay, saso come saso. We go just do this experiment today. Na me this I say make I dry am so that at least that transparency for the glue go it go dey intact, especially when that other color, that white one, you get for must dry am before may turn be white, but I just dry the one for see how they make a gum quick. Na me that now they struggle for say me they think gum for head now. I know one gum. I say you go only gum because this experiment I must try am today. Now me this now I dey appreciate the hair. I say 30-inch hair. Now me this they measure the hair now. My madam don't tell me say if you want gum hair, you get to make sure you don't measure the cap or see whether it fit the person in hair. So now either I fit and now no assassin no it be intact. Now me this now I carry gum. I dey put gum. See my gum too, I no know, the first one I put no one gum, I no know wetin dey worry am. Na me this now dey gumming. As I dey gum am so I say okay, she dey laugh, she say closure into frontas. I say okay, make I dey learn work for her head. Na my first time this for do am for person hair. I don first do am for my own head before, but I say make I try with different person head. So I tell her make she come, but she instead go come bring na closure instead of frontal wey I tell her make she bring am. I mean this I dey put the gum now. That gum don go whole hair. See wahala. I mean this now dey struggle for fix am fine. E get to touch small e hair so that e go fit stay for a long period of time. Na why that I pack am so dey do the job. You see am. I mean this dey gum and dey fix am, take my time, dey go. See as your baby girl dey blink now. Even me sef, see my face, guys. Am I not sparkling? This is the beauty of Lydia. See as I do my makeup, it just dey chat. Oh my god. So now me this dey gum now this thing. I mean this dey dry the gum. Make that gum me no be white, me don be transparent. So I dey dry am. My nyango too say Lydia go burn me, you go burn me you go burn me I say no worry, say don dey dry, don dey white. So I go cut the video because I don't feel behind the scene the thing can't dry way video don't stop. So now me this now they do the gumming of the hair. My madam say I go start for middle, so I don't take and bring am for middle. I gum am, I take the side side, I gum am, push all the hair behind. They do the things. Na in this, so I say okay, make I cut that small closure for fun now. Make we see how it dey go. True. Una rate me if true na closure. If true so na frontal I be use am, like I be do am. I do a good job or not. Abeg una rate me if in case na frontals I be do am, so I did a good job or not. All those professionals in hair installation. If na say na frontal so wey I be gum am, so I did a good job or not. Abeg una tell me for comment section, my people. So I don put now that spray, make it melt the glue and the hair, that kind of thing. So I put mousse at least for smooth time, make it soft. Then I destroy now for cut baby face. Now baby face go worry me, my people. That baby face dey so easy for do am. So I just okay, make we do the one we go do am. Now me this I don't cut small hair move am. I say okay, make I add mousse, make it smooth now. Now me this they add the mousse now for see whether I fit cut baby face. After now I do the tying of the tying. Easy. The tying of the tying, easy. So guys, what do you think about this video? In case it was a frontal installation, do I did well, right? Make una tell me whether I do well or not. She was like saying Lydia sparkle behind the scene. I was like laughing. I said, oh, this is my friend. And so she now for flatter me. See now I dey put hair stick for them, so that I go take the direction of where I want it to go to. So now me that now. So now me this now. I say okay, we don't comb and now we hot comb. After we don't put that hair stick, make take the direction way to want. I say okay, make I try threading the hair small, make it straight. Now I use now straightener. I just straighten the hair all so that it go dey jack intact, as if this is 13-inch hair. Seriously, it's really difficult to do a hair that is really long like this, my people, because either it dey tight or it dey tight for under, because the hair too long for way I don't understand my head though. So now in this now we dey do the straightening again for all the hair. It's okay. It's a Lydia, not bad though. You don't try. If na say na frontals now be dey this my head, na so for the shine, na so she dey happy. I dey happy too. Say I don't try put small thing for person in head for my first time. Okay, na Babyliss I want Babyliss, so I dey Babyliss the front. He say make I cut and small for front. Try Babyliss am. I tell am, but there is the Babyliss. If I go take am too much for up, it start high. I say okay, make I first go do the back side, then I will come back for the front. Now in that now I just hold the hair off about, because she don't want to make it the worry, and since it's too long, I don't hold am all fine for back now. I say okay, make I straighten back the hair wey I don first do am, because e dey hang for air. I don't know which side dey hang foot o, or you want to make something enter inside your hole. I no understand. So after I straighten the hair back again, I say okay, make I barbarize now and hold am from down side. So you see am as e dey so na so I don hold am now for down. I dey wait make the thing hot again small so that e go coil and so on. My people, this work no easy o. I take like 1 or 2 hours. Oh my God, see the finish looked. My baby was babying, she was slay, she was very happy. She said, Lydia, I try o. Imagine now if na front us. So guys, I say no, make I bring una this gist small. So thank you so much. Okay, please abeg una share this video if una come across am. Una tell me wetin una think about this my video. I hope say I try sha. E no easy o for install closure. Na experimentum wey I do am for the hair today. So my friend, so thank you so much for bringing this your hair, make we spoil am for further installation. Bye bye.